guys, welcome back to another vlog. This vlog is going to be an Eid vlog. I am so excited because tomorrow is Eid and today we're going to take you guys through preparation of Eid, and then tomorrow is going to be Eid. I'm very excited because this year Eid I have a lot of fun things planned, and so yeah, right now as you can see I was actually just prepping some stuff. So let me just show you guys what I was doing. So I was actually prepping some gifts for my friends. I'm actually gifting them some goodie bags for Eid because tomorrow I'm going to be meeting them for Eid, and I'm prepping some goodie bags for each of my friends, and I'm still not done. I still have to finish it. But yeah, that was like what I was doing. Okay guys, it's a little later now, but we are doing some decoration for Eid, which is tomorrow. And also, by the way, I put on some henna. I didn't show you guys, but I did. Okay.
So we got these decorations from the store. It's like a fan, so you like open it.
Yeah, you open it like that.
And then like there was this tape.
Like stickers we put in the middle.
Yeah, but see, like there's like a sticker here.
And they look like these. We're gonna be putting them up around the house right now, so yeah.
And we also got some lights which have like roses on them. And we're gonna be putting that on the house too.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo.
So today it's the next day. I didn't vlog anything in the morning, but we went for Eid namaz, and now I just finished getting ready. Well, right now I'm cleaning up my room because you guys can see, I don't know why, but on Eid my room is just always so messy. And it's really annoying, so I'm gonna clean it up right now. Hopefully I can, I don't know, make it clean. I don't know, so we're gonna clean it up right now. Let's do this. Guys, so now that I finished cleaning my room, I'm going to get ready. Let me show you guys my outfit. This is the outfit. I literally have a garara, and I just love wearing gararas like on Eid. They just look so good. And I also have this bracelet on that I got like a while ago. But now I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna make my hair, and I also got some new earrings that I'm gonna put on. Let's go. Put too much makeup on, I might just put like mascara or something, but I'm not gonna put too much makeup on because I don't really like to put makeup on. It's really, I don't know, I'm not the person who likes to put that much makeup on. Okay, I'm done with my makeup. Really light, really simple, but now let's go and eat breakfast.
We're eating breakfast.
So,
Some kebabs.
so I'm eating egg, cheese, and ketchup.
We're eating. Oh yeah. After breakfast, I did a lot of things. I packed gifts for my friends. I gave my parents a couple gifts for Eid. I even went and met some friends, and I did some stuff. and now it's 2:30. I'm already tired. But right now I'm going to eat lunch. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much all I'm gonna do. So it is the second day of Eid right now. It's like not really Eid, but it's like the second day of Eid. But I didn't vlog much yesterday, so I'm gonna vlog today again. But today we're doing a lot of fun things. We're actually gonna be going to IKEA right now. We have to go check some stuff, and we're also just gonna eat lunch from there. So yeah, we're going to IKEA right now, and I just finished getting ready. Let me show you guys my outfit. I really like it. I actually got this a while ago. I got it like in January of 2022, and I never actually wore it. But yeah, here is the outfit. I have this jumpsuit, and I have like a white turtleneck inside. And here's Aisha.
Hey guys.
So we're going to IKEA right now, and this is her outfit.
I'm just gonna make my hair right now.
Yeah,
it's a
same.
mess.
So we're about to leave right now, so let's go.
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother. But let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me.
So we're just walking around right now, and we're just checking out some stuff. So yeah, look at these cute spaces, guys. And there's that.
With your brother when he could use the company. What should we do?
So we're still looking for some stuff right now, and if you find anything, I will let you guys know. Also, it's so quiet today in IKEA. There's not a lot of rush. So yeah.
Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me.
Hours later, but we're still here. So yeah, I will see you guys later. In this self-service area right now to pick up some furniture, and then we'll be going home. So yeah, just keeping you guys updated.
Pretty blue jeans and me.